Want to learn how to install and use Nemotron 3 Ultra without getting confused by complicated setup steps? In today's video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to find the model, open the correct version, and choose the app where you want to use it. Even if you're completely new to AI models, you should be able to follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser. Make sure you're using an updated browser and start with a new tab so the process is easy to follow. In the search bar, type Nemotron 3 Ultra and press enter. You'll see different results, so take a moment to identify the correct official model page. Be careful with unrelated websites, copycat pages, or old listings, especially when downloading or using a software. Once you've found the correct page, open it and allow the website to load completely. You'll normally see information about the model along with different options for accessing or using it. Before continuing, quickly confirm that the page is actually for Nemotron 3 Ultra, and that you're working with the version you intended to use. Next, look for the option labeled Base Model and select it if multiple versions or variations are available. The base model is usually the straightforward place to begin. After opening the model, find the Use this model button and click it depending on the platform. This may open a setup area, deployment screen, or available integration options. Finally, you'll need to select the app or environment where you want to use Nemotron 3 Ultra. The available options can vary depending on the platform, so choose the one that best matches your workflow. If you're already familiar with one of the listed apps, selecting that option can make the process easier. And that's it. You've successfully gone from searching for Nemotron 3 Ultra to selecting the model and choosing where you want to use it. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to FMAdvisor, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials and practical tech guides.